Greetings. We are Team Deadlock Varvad, and our problem statement is 1640. It belongs to the category software, with the title being a short contract farming system for stable market access, and the theme being agriculture, food tech, and rural development. Our team ID is 1223 5, and here's our solution to the problem called Kisandar. Now, we are managing all the aspects of it, from posting the requirement process and terms to contract management. We have integrated 5 AI models to make sure that the farmer gets the best price of that product. It is predicted that what product will be at what demand at a certain time frame or season. The crop quality can be assessed by a visual model, as well as several others, to make sure we have a good recommendation system. The problems which are being addressed is stable market access, income stability through fixed contracts, which are going to be written through a blockchain and smart contracts, secure transactions, and quality assurance. The innovation and uniqueness is our use of ML and blockchain to make sure that it's transparent as well as fair to all the parties involved and empower the farmers. We have tied by verification, smart analytics dashboard for the farmer as well as the corporate entity which is going to post to make sure they have the best data out there, and AI quality verification. Now, we have also added an online marketplace to make sure the farmer is able to access credit, insurance, as well as the highest quality and highest grade seeds and other farming equipments. Here is our UI for our app, a demonstration, which constitutes the web app as well as a mobile app. We have made a very simple UI to make sure that we are able to guide the farmers. Not a lot of them are going to be privileged enough to have that much access to technology. That's why we are keeping our AI UI accessible to all. So here's our technical approach. The tech stack that we are using is React.js, Express, Mongo, Node, and etc. as shown below. Now, the model of our app is going to constitute of login and registration at first. We have 3 different logins and registrations, one being the farmer, one for the corporate entity, and one as the admin. Now, the farmer side is going to constitute the contracts available, which is going to be posted by the contractor, the dashboard, ongoing contracts. We are going to facilitate the delivery of the final product, payments, which is going to then constitute what is the revenue that the farmer is getting through our AI model to predict it, the payment due, as well as we can send reminder and blacklist companies and dispute the certain contract. Apart from that, there's procedure with the deal. We have our own web app, which is going to be part of the product to make sure that there is seamless communication between the farmer and the corporate entity. We can analyze the crop as well as sign the contracts. For the contractor, it's the farmers which are available, as well as posting the contracts, proceeding with the deeds, the seamless chat facility, analyzing, signing the contract, dashboard, as well as blacklisting certain farmers or raising a dispute in order to make sure that both the parties get a fair constituent deal. Feasibility and viability. Now, the technical feasibility of a product is website and AI development, which can be achieved by a skilled team but requires significant investment. Blockchain integration, it's feasible, but it is going to be complex and costly. Financial feasibility, well, it all boils down to the revenue model. It could be viable through transaction fees or subscription, but it will require market validation as we cannot charge the farmer who are already underprivileged. Market feasibility, demand. There's a growing need for contract farming solutions. Taking the statistics in Maharashtra alone, the suicide rates and the crop failure in the Vidarbha region has been at all-time high. And to combat that, we have to provide farmers with a means to constant and assured flow of money, and which is going to be through contract farming, as it provides them a stable income. So we are going to also validate it with market research as well as competition. We have to analyze the existing solutions and build on top of it to make better products for the users. The potential challenges and strategies to overcome them: technical complexity, risk, integration issues, and platform reliability, which is going to be solved through having a good team of developers as well as conducting thorough testing through our own channels as well as user testing. Adoption resistance, risk, low uptake by users unfamiliar with technology, as the farmers are less adoption resistance, risk, low uptake by users unfamiliar with technology. As our farmers are not very privileged, they seldomly have access to technologies which require a high GPU to run. So we have to make sure that we provide them training, incentive, as well as demonstrate the clear benefits, keep the UI as simple as possible, and train them to use it. Data security and privacy. The risk is going to be potential data breaches and legal issues. We have to make sure that we follow the government laws for it, as well as implement strong security measures. Regulatory compliance, risk, non-compliance with agriculture and data protection regulation. Now in 2020, our government had released a farm law which exclusively catered to contract farming. So we are going to build our app around that particular farm law and make sure that we are compliant with all the possible clauses of our constitution and legal system, as well as consult legal experts. Financial stability and sustainability, the risk is going to be insufficient funds or revenue shortfalls. As our aim is going to be non-profit, we have to develop either a solid business plan to make sure that our business keeps going, or monitor financial performance to make sure it is net flow positive, and seek funding to run the product. Impact and benefits. Now, the potential impact on the target audience, that is the farmers, is going to be market access. We are going to provide reliable connection to buyers, reducing uncertainty, as well as securing a stable market for the produce, and income stability through fixed smart contracts and negotiation of the prices of the particular product. We are going to help them stabilize income and reduce financial fluctuations, as well as our store is going to provide them an easy line of credit, as well as the best quality seeds and other farming materials out there to increase their revenue as well as efficiency. Bias, quality assurance. We are through our AI model, we are going to make sure that the buyer is able to assess the quality of the particular crop. Bias, quality assurance. Through our AI model, we are going to make sure that they have access to verified and high quality produce, as well as improve the supply chain reliability. We are going to facilitate the whole supply chain and make sure that the deliveries are going to be on time as well as efficient. Streamline procurement. The process is going to be simplified for securing contracts as well as managing orders. Now, the benefits of the solution, the social benefits are going to be empowerment of the farmers by providing income security, cost efficiency, and the environmental benefits are going to be quality control, optimized resources, as we are making sure that the farmer is able to increase their efficiency and in turn produce less waste. Operational benefits, the efficiency is going to be streamlined, as well as we are going to make sure that the farmer makes data-driven decisions in very simple formats. We are going to make sure that our app comes in different languages, every single major regional language in India. And here's a model of a AI model where the farmer is using a web platform to upload the crop image and get the results. Research and references. Now here are our following references for our product. Thank you. We are now going to move to showcasing our product. Now here's our product, Kisandar, empowering farmers with trusted partnerships. Now we have kept our UI as simple as possible to make sure the farmer is able to access it better. Now what do we provide? We provide them tiered by verification, smart analysis dashboard, monitoring payment, and secure transaction. In future, we are going to make sure that they have access to a lot more information. Okay. Now here we have given how it works. It's going to be filled with more information afterwards. Okay. We have made a section known as Farmedu to make sure that the farmer has knowledge and access to better, efficient farming methods to make sure that they are able to make more of their land and crops home. All right. So here we have our login. This is going to be a vendor login. Now here, the vendor dashboard, the vendor can on the spot put out a contract. There's also an option to post additional information about the particular contract. Now, when we go to the dashboard, when we go to the offer, here we have the offer that the vendor has put out. We can edit it until it has been accepted. After it has been accepted, it can't be edited. Here we have the payment methods to make sure there's seamless payment. Now, we are going to log out of the vendor login and move towards the farmer login. Okay, here's our dashboard. Here they can see the particular offer as well as accept it. All right. So as it has been accepted, when we move back to the vendor login, it has been accepted. Now, apart from that, we have a chat app in our particular product to make sure that there is seamless seamless messaging and communication between both the parties, as well as we have our own e-commerce shop. Yeah. So here we provide the particular farmer with loans, insurance, seeds, and different farming equipments. The next, now, here's our text summarizer. It is basically going to go through our particular contract and make the highlights out of it, because the contracts are usually 22 pages long, and forget a farmer, even normal people like us are not able to go through it. So the whole contract is going to be summarized and moved into points so that the farmer can understand it better. Here we have taken an example of Ramesh Patel, who's a farmer, and Sunil Mehra, who's going to be the contractor. The whole contract has been botched down to a very small sentence. Next, we are going to make sure that it is also available in Hindi. Now here's our crop prediction app, which is going to take in a variety of factors and advise you on which crop is going to be the best for you. Now the final outcome is going to be based on the yield you are providing instead of the particular price of the crop. Here, the best crop is to grow is going to be wheat. That was a product for SIH internal hackathon. This is Team Deadlock Varvad. Thank you.